I'm going crazy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing 6 copies of ENHYPEN's new album, Border-Carnival. I actually have 9 more albums coming on Monday, so I don't know if I'm gonna make a video about that. I'm just gonna be like, more ENHYPEN albums. But yeah, I can't believe these came already. You know, it got shipped out like 2 days ago, I think, so I'm really happy that it's already here, and I'm really excited because I'm in love with the concept. Like, I already saw like some of the PCs because, you know, I couldn't contain myself, but yeah, I'm so excited to see my polls. And this comeback is really good. Like, I'm obsessed with Fever and Not For Sale. I think I'm always like, I always love their B-sides. Like, they never fail with their B-sides. J! This is his lenticular. Period. Close your eyes, open your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Who else do we have? Oh, Dazed! Yes! Oh my god, I'm gonna collect all these solo from down. Let's look at it next on our own side. Period! I flipped it in excitement! Oh my gosh, my leg! Lenticular. I don't even know how to say that. Yes. Yes. Yes, I love that his signature is back here too. My gosh, someone loves me today! Oh my gosh. So happy. I'm so happy. Look at this. Then J! Oh, I pulled another J! Period. princess. Period. Damn. Oh! Jungwon! Oh! Oh my gosh! True Jungwon! Got this one. Oh my god. See, now I want to collect Jungwon. He's my bias record. And Sunghoon is my bias. But, like, I don't want to collect both of them. I'm gonna lose money. Oh! We got another J lenticular. Damn. Almost pulling, like, all of J's lenticular right now. We got a duplicate! Another J lenticular. Oh, my thing just died. Another J. We got Sunu! That's my first Sunu pull. No! Please, I don't want to pull you because I don't want to collect you! You're so expensive. Oh no, I pulled 3 Jungwons already. We got a unit. We got Jake. Someone, please! Oh my god! 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 And my light just died. I'm so sorry. But I pulled Sunghoon. I didn't pull this one yet. I pulled 4 Sunghoons today. I'm so happy. We got Jake. We pulled 2 Jakes today. Another J! Oh my god! I pulled so many J's today. No Nikki. I didn't pull any Nikki. I pulled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I pulled all of the members except for Nikki. Someone! Oh my god! I got it together! Yes! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Please. 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 Oh my god. So many Sunghoons. I'm so happy.
Baby, oh, 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 oh. Whoa,